I was definitely expecting this thing to fall over. They gotta stop talking because I feel like I'm gonna knock it over with my breath. Alright, Peach. I'm gonna try to add some stability to the base of the tower.
Let's go!
I have these! Hey guys, welcome back to another Try Japan video. Today, I'm gonna continue the trend of showing you guys cool and exclusive Nintendo goods that you can only find here in Japan. Today's theme is all about...
Oh yeah!
So let's get started.
It's been one of those days.
So the last time I went out, I stumbled upon these Mario toys that I had no idea even existed. There's like this one where you've got all the Mario figurines. That's actually what I really liked about it originally. And from what I can gather from the picture, it looks like you're sort of climbing this tower. I'm gonna initially attempt to do this without any instructions at all.
Let's pick up our thing.
Yes!
So one of these has a door. There it is. So I'm gonna connect that. Then we have these red base things and it looks like it's facing up like this. And look at this thing, it like teeters. Ball goes like that. What is this? What am I supposed to do? Man, I almost forgot that there's figurines here too. Come on, get out of there. It's time to wake up.
Mario?
And the rest. There's actually like a whole video about this. Alright, let's open it up and see. Here we go. Oh, cool. This is really creative, man. So there's the ball on top. There's all the pieces. What do we do now? Go. Go and do what? How does this work? Okay. Oh, it's like a balancing thing. That's why it's teetering. Okay, and all the different characters are kind of different weights. Oh, I bet you have to throw the ball down and like whoever's left standing, you get points. What? What was that? That's not what I was expecting. Wait, but I'm so confused. Who won? How do you win? What are these points for?
Bye bye!
Okay, I don't know. This is actually making me have maybe more questions than I had before I watched the video. It's like a really strange game. This is not how I was expecting it to be at all. I'm kind of digging it though, so let's just see if we can put it together again and make it work.
Welcome and enter the center of my Super Mario adventure. A girl's trapped on the other side of town, so I'm moving in leaps and bounds. Folks around my way think I'm strange, but there's a villain to blame. Even my mom, she thinks I'm crazy, but I got to rescue Daisy.
I shouldn't breathe on it. Okay, we're gonna start
I do it.
with Mr. Green Mario.
Yikes! Mamma mia!
I was definitely expecting this thing to fall over. They gotta stop talking because I feel like I'm gonna knock it over with my breath. Alright, Peach. I'm gonna try to add some stability to the base of the tower. Dagnabbit. I don't even know if that's a word. Let's try this again. Peach. Luigi. I'm gonna do someone else. Let's do Mario.
Here we go! Mamma mia!
You. Was it this guy? Yeah, it was him that knocked over the whole tower. Bring back his good name. The good name of the Goomba. The Paragoomba.
Careful now!
Ooh, not bad. Okay. I'm gonna make it my own personal challenge to put a figurine on every single one of these. This guy's got a lot more weight to him. I think Magic Koopa and the Hammer Bro are like the fattest ones. I don't know, Yoshi's pretty fat too. So Koopa right there. Ooh. We can go here. I don't like it.
Mario?
What about Luigi here? Oh man, that actually worked. Oh man, that was fun. I suck at this thing though. I don't know if the purpose is actually to put like a figurine on every single one of these stands. I think really it's like a multiplayer game. Maybe next video I can bring someone along with me. Hey, it's MJ from the future with a very important message. I originally filmed these 3 Mario toys expecting it to just be one video, but there's just so much content to show and there's so much to each of these toys. So I thought it would be better if I made it a 2 or maybe even a 3-part series. Stay tuned for those coming out soon. There's a lot in those toys and you're not gonna wanna miss it. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.